Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Fidel Omar Rodriguez. You can call me Fidel, you can call me Omar, you can call me Mr. Rodriguez. I personally go by Omar, guys. So when I start sending you guys messages, I'm going to sign them off as Omar Rodriguez. So if you get a message and you're wondering why is it saying Omar if my instructor's name is Fidel, because Omar is my middle name and that's just what I go by. So anyway, I want to welcome you guys to Math 100. Guys, this is what's known as a minimester. So semester is normally 16 weeks long. If you're taking classes already, we're just finishing off from spring break. This class is 8 weeks long. So because we didn't meet those first 8 weeks, everything that we would normally do in a 16-week session is now being condensed into an 8-week session. So what does that mean? Number one, it's going to be a little faster pace. What you would normally do in 2 weeks in the regular session, we're going to have to get it done in 1 week, okay? Easiest way to think about this, pretend we were not in COVID. I know that's something we all want to pretend. If we were not in this pandemic that we're in right now, our class would probably meet for 2 days a week for about 2 hours and 15 minutes. And if we were not in a pandemic and this was a regular class and we were on campus, instead of meeting 2 days a week for 2 hours and 15 minutes, we would meet 4 days a week. We would meet Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, okay? So there's good things about that, there's bad things about that. The good thing is, hopefully you stay on track. And what that means, guys, is like I said a little while ago, we would normally meet for 4 days a week. My recommendation to you all is do some work at least 4 days a week, at least. So that means do some work in this class 4 days a week, or maybe even 5, or maybe 6. I wouldn't do it 7, take at least a day off. But you want to do some math every single day, okay? So I'm going to explain how the class is going to be set up. When you log into our Blackboard course, obviously you're going to find this video there because that's where it's going to be. There's going to be a welcome tab. That's where you'll find this video, and I'll have some general information there. And then you're going to see the syllabus link. So you'll go ahead and click on the syllabus link. You'll get all that information there. Then there's going to be a link for Remind. Remind is a messaging app, okay? So Remind is basically a way for me to message you guys and you guys to message me. It's like a texting app. It's used for schools. Everybody's phone numbers are hidden, so nobody's going to see anybody's phone number. And I'm going to be sending messages throughout on Remind at least twice a week. I'll send you guys messages. And you can send me questions. You can ask me anything that you want on Remind, guys. When you message me, it comes to me directly. Nobody else sees it. If I reply directly to you, it's only to you. Nobody else sees it. If I send a message to the entire class, then obviously everybody's going to get it, okay? So you want to sign up for Remind. You can download the app. It's free, guys. You can find it on the App Store. You can find it on Google Play. And I actually have mine on my iPad. That's why I'm recording this video here. So you'll do that. Then the second thing is there is a folder called Weekly Activities. So in that Weekly Activities folder, you're going to see a week 1 and a week 2. I'm going to be putting everything up for 2 weeks at a time. So everything for weeks 1 and 2 is available, okay? Just to give you a quick reminder again, remember this, what I have in week 1 and week 2, that would be everything for the first 4 weeks in a regular session. Again, we're in a condensed semester. So in that weekly folder, you're going to find course notes. You can download them. They're going to be in a PDF file. Guys, when you download them, there's going to be 3 little dots, okay? And you click on that, and it should say, one of the options should say download original file. You want to click on download original file, okay? You always want to go with the original file. Those notes, you can download them. If you want to print them, you can. You don't necessarily have to. But after that, there is a link to a YouTube playlist. Those are my own videos, guys. I just put them up on YouTube so that it's easy for everybody to access. But they're my own videos that I made. And those videos correspond directly to those same course notes, okay? So you'll watch the videos, and now in week 1, it'll tell you exactly which videos you need to watch and what sections you're going to go through, okay? But you'll watch those videos, you'll follow along with your notes. If you do decide to print them out, you can fill in your notes, or you can at least write it on another piece of paper, but you definitely want to be writing stuff as you go along. And then once, say, you watch the video for the first section, then you're going to do your homework in something called My Lab and Mastering. So on the main page, there is a link that says My Lab and Mastering course. You'll click on that. In the week 1 folder, I put a video on how you can create your My Lab and Mastering account, okay? So once you click that link, then if you want to go back to the week 1 folder and watch the video, it kind of walks you through that process, okay? Guys, My Lab and Mastering is a software that you need to purchase. They do give you an option for free 2 weeks. So you can get the 2-week option for free if you want to do that. And then after those 2 weeks are up, you're going to have to pay. But I mean, watch the video and it'll kind of walk you through that process. Anyway, after you say watch the first video, do your assignment for that one, then you can go back and watch the second video, do your assignment. It's really up to you. Anyway, that's that information there. Let's see. I have my contact information, guys. I put it in every one of the weekly folders. It's in the syllabus. The main thing I really want y'all to be comfortable with is contacting me with any questions you guys have, okay? Last thing, most importantly, on Monday afternoons at 5 p.m., I'm gonna have live sessions, okay? You're not obligated to log in, but I highly encourage you. What I'm gonna do, like say on the first day of school, I'm gonna kind of walk you all through some of the general process, and then I'm probably gonna do a couple of sections. I'm not gonna be able to do everything I would do in week 1. I'm just gonna do a little bit of it to kind of get you motivated and kind of, you know, going on. But it's really important that you keep up with the assignments, okay, guys? Don't wait until a day or so before they're due, because then everything piles up at the end, okay? Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're staying safe. I hope some of you have been able to get vaccinated. We're going to get through this together, guys. I want you to know that I'm on your side. Anything I can do to help you, I'm glad to do, okay? I'm going to go ahead and sign off now because this video is pretty long. Stay safe. Let me know if you got anything. I'm here for you, okay? Bye-bye, guys.